How to redeem Blox Fruit codes in Roblox. So first, what you want to do is just open up your Blox Fruits. Then once you're here, just simply need to click on the play button and wait for your Roblox player to load. Now, as you can see, it's loaded. Now what you need to do is just simply click on the gift icon here, just besides the home icon. So it's the blue icon here on the left side of your screen. Click on that, and as you can see, it pops up the reward codes. So you simply need to enter the code right here. So once you have the code, you simply need to enter the code. You can paste it if it's up to you, and just simply click on redeem. And you need to make sure that your code is correct, and you could check the codes just in your browser. So just open up your browser. Once you are on your browser, just simply search for Blox Fruit codes, just like so. And you could check the codes here on Blox Fruits Wiki. And as you can see, there are a ton of codes right here that you could choose from and check if they are still valid. You could just simply copy paste it and go back to Roblox and just paste it right here. And that's how I basically redeem codes in Blox Fruit.